What's up, guys? It's your girl Kina, and I'm back with another video. As you can see this morning from the title, today we are about to be cooking some, what do they call it?
Taco Tuesday.
I mean, no.
So today is Taco
that's not
Tuesday,
what
but what are they called?
Birria tacos. I think they're called Birria tacos.
Burrito, whatever they're called.
It might be like something else.
So we're gonna be cooking some tacos, so different kind of tacos today. So I'm about to drop these kids off to school, and then we're gonna go ahead and head to the grocery store. What's happening? It's a mess right here. So we're about to, I'm gonna drop these kids off to school, and then me and you gonna head to the grocery store. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm gonna let everybody introduce themselves. For those of you who are new to the channel, we're gonna start with this princess right here.
Serenity.
And who else? Carter. Who are you? I just said it, but yeah. He's talking during the whole intro.
Sorry.
And who else we have back there with the mask on?
Big Dog.
Okay, we got Big Dog back there. Lorenzo is his name. We are, like I said, headed to the school, about to drop all three of them off. That's why you see all that shaking and bumping. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop them off, and then I'll be back to y'all when I head to the grocery store. And I guess I'll show you us cooking the tacos as well.
Wait, did you say your name?
Oh, I think I already said my name, but if I didn't, it's your girl Kina. And like I said, I did say my name because I said I was back with another video. But oh, while I'm on here, I want to also let y'all know that we're going to be, let me put my seatbelt on. We're going to be doing a new segment on the channel, because I noticed that in the algorithm, a lot of people have been watching our old videos. So I have so many videos, probably like a good 20 something videos that I have not posted. So we're going to start a new segment on the channel called Blended Throwbacks. So I'm going to try to do it on Thursdays when I post a video, but it's going to be all throwback videos. Now, it's going to be limited editing. So basically, Carter, stop.
Why do you do that if you was recording?
It's going to be limited editing on those videos, because they are old videos, so it's no point. But I see that a lot of people, like I said, enjoy those videos. And a lot of people keep telling me that they're watching the old videos. So what better way than keep y'all entertained than showing y'all the old videos that y'all missed from the old trips to LA and different places. So stay tuned for that. When you see Blended Throwbacks, or you can even type it in as far as our playlist, and it'll come right up. We're going to start posting those videos so y'all see them. The thumbnails may not be there. I might just do basic thumbnails. And also, like I said, the editing is going to be minimal, but it'll be genuine and it'll be raw footage. So I know a lot of people like that. So I'll see y'all when we get to the grocery store. So, of course, guys, we had to make a pit stop to Starbucks before we headed to school. Serenity want a sandwich. I want a cheese Danish, but I think I'm just going to get a sandwich. This boy, what in the world? He want a drink, so we're headed to Starbucks. Okay, so after talking to my sister, I realized that I have the wrong impression, as Serenity does too, on these tacos. I thought it was just like regular beef, ground beef, ground turkey, chicken, stuff like that. Inside, like some cooked up cheese, like taco shells. I don't know. But yeah, she was like, no, that's not it. Like, you do it with lamb or some chuck roast or something like that. And I'm like, oh, yeah, I don't have that kind of time to be sitting around cooking that right now. And I don't have one of those, the pressure cookers or whatever. I need to get an Instant Pot. That's what I need to get, Instant Pot, whatever it's called. But anyway, so I'm still going to make tacos. And I'll still make them something like that. But it ain't going to be exactly like that. So Serenity should be satisfied regardless. But it ain't going to be that. But yeah, I got my mask halfway on because I forgot to pick up my laundry from the laundromat, because I dropped my clothes off. I dropped our clothes off to get washed, dried, folded. So yeah, it's time to pick them up. I was sick and I dropped them off before I got sick. So they've been here for like 3 weeks, legit like 2-3 weeks. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and pick these clothes up, drop off my other bag of clothes, and I'll be out. Well, actually, I'll see you at the grocery store. Okay, so I got the kids, and it's safe to say that today was a very hard, long day. This is the second day coming back from COVID, from being on quarantine, and this is how it's been every single day. yesterday and today. She gonna kill me for doing that. But I guess we'll get up and fix the tacos, and I'm gonna give them about an hour because they look like they need about an hour. I got a headache anyway. I have a headache anyway, so I'm gonna give myself an hour as well. I'm gonna lay down and relax. I already took the medication, so hopefully this headache will go away. I had it all day, and now my stomach is a little upset, so I'm gonna give it about an hour rest, like I said, hour and a half, and then me and my baby girl, and Carter probably won't help too. We're gonna go ahead and fix these tacos, our style. My sister said they call Birria. I don't know how to pronounce it. Forget it. But yeah, Kiara told me how it was pronounced. I don't know how to say it. So yeah, we're gonna make our own kind of tacos. Okay? With cheese. Alright, so Carter took it upon himself to start the shells. He put them on the pan and put them in the oven. These are some nacho shells. This is what he wants. Me and Serenity are gonna do a different kind of shell. To get things started, we have ourselves some ground turkey, okay? We have some onions. I don't feel like cutting enough, so we got some onions here. Pepper. And bam, onions. It's gonna be a quick night. Don't feel like doing a lot. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a little bit of olive oil here. Just do a little bit more, yeah. So we're doing ground turkey, you know, that's a little dry. We're gonna take a little scoop here. Fire's already on a little. This is how we're gonna do it, okay? We're gonna take, it ain't even warmed up yet, but that's okay. Cause like Tab say, that's my business, okay? We're gonna take a little bit of, you know, peppers here, just to give it some flavor. We're gonna get this meat some flavor because turkey is so bland. So before we season it, bam, we're gonna add some of that. And because it's also my business, I'm gonna use this same spoon to go ahead and get us a little bit of onions. Cause I mean, does it matter? No, it doesn't. And yes, baby, these, oh, I done dropped some. They gonna touch today, okay? These babies gonna touch today. There, bam, and bam. We're gonna get one more scoop of onions here. Get a good one, okay? All right, we're gonna get one more. Okay, hold on. Okay, all right. And bam. So we're gonna go ahead. Yes, it's a plastic spoon. I'm not gonna go ahead and stir it with the spoon, but then we're gonna let these babies cook up. We're gonna add this meat on in it. Now I just added the ground turkey, and of course we did not let these babies brown all the way. We just warm them up a little bit because, I mean, why would we let them brown when we gotta cook up this turkey? Now let's go ahead and add some seasoning because that's looking a little bland, okay? Now we done add in a little seasoning. You don't want to add a lot because we're going to add in the taco seasoning too. Now with this, it's not going to create any juice because, I mean, it's turkey and turkey is dry. It's not going to create any juice, so we're going to go ahead and add the other seasoning in. As soon as it starts to brown up a little bit, we're going to add the other seasoning and then we're going to add the water. Now I started mixing everything together. It's giving me a little, it's giving me meatloaf vibes, but you know, we know when we're making meatloaf, you know, what the requirement is. I added a little bit of minced garlic in here because, like I said, that's my business. This, you can add a little bit or you can add a lot of yours because I'm not going to ahead and mind my business, okay? And hopefully you don't add too much. But regardless, hopefully it's good for you and yours because me and my kids are going to eat what? Oh yeah, we're going to eat good. So Serenity still got her mask on. She wanted to help. She's going to go ahead and pour some of this seasoning in there. Pour the seasoning in there, honey.
Oh, I was going to ask you something.
Pour as much as you want because it should... What is it? It's our business, right, y'all? And we're going to mind ours. Go ahead. Here it is. Please be gentle. Please. The gentle. Gentle.
Wow, I think so.
She is staring like she's a lefty.
Oh.
Okay. I'm going to take... Oh, no. You're spilling meat everywhere. I'm going to take over. I'm going to let my girl add the sauce, okay? We're going to chop it up. So we're going to be fine if we can get it. You know, ain't much chopping. We're going to do the dish. But we're going to make it work, okay? And then we're going to get done too. So I'm going to teach Serena how to do a little bit of cutting here. Okay.
Carter side.
Y'all get the point. Okay, so now we're going to heat up this pan, as you see in front of us. And we're going to make like a cheese type of shell, okay? We're going to do like a keto type of vibe. You don't need, you hear it sizzling? You don't need no type of oil, okay? This stuff is going to melt by itself. Now it don't matter what this shell look like, okay? We're going to do small size shells. We're not going to do big ones. So we're gonna do about that. That's look like a circle. It's circle enough for us.
Like an egg.
It's okay. That's circle enough for us, baby. And you gonna mind your business, like we mind ours. Be still. So we just gonna let this thing cook, brown. It's gonna melt, and it's gonna brown up. Y'all see it. Okay, now it's time to flip it over. On one side anyway. Okay. We gotta try to make this thing a circle, okay? Oh, I know I'm lying.
Hurry up. Press it, Mom.
You hurry up. That shit
Let
help.
me do it.
And voila. I did this inside the pan. You do not have to do that. I'm gonna add the lettuce and the dressing and all that after I'm done. Now y'all see how fast this cheese is melting now that it's, you know, the pan is warmed up. You don't really need a lot of cheese, okay? You don't need a lot of cheese. My daughter's recording, by the way, so it's a little messy. Sorry.
Mom.
But that's about all you need for cheese. And it's gonna brown up. I'm gonna show y'all the final presentation, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and run through these. And this, my friends, is the finished product. Yeah, I know. It looks delicious. Get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. The cheese is a little crunchy now because it's been sitting, but this thing looks jumping, okay? When you dip it in sauce. Can't double dip now.
We gotta wait. We can put it on the other side.
It's good though. How you like it, Fran?
It was good.
It's good.
Really.
Alright, y'all, it's not mukbang. But I just wanted to taste it. Bang it. Hey guys, Lazy Post here. So we are at the part of the video that everybody normally waits for. And that is the what? You don't know?
Notification.
The notification shout out. So today's notification shout out, as you can see, goes out to Janicia Jackson. Thank you so much for being a part of the notification gang. If you would like a chance at a shout out in our next video or one of the videos after that,
You gotta like, comment, subscribe. Hey.
like, comment, and subscribe. Hey. Yes, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All you gotta do is ring that bell for all notifications, and you will have the chance at a shout out in our next video. Sorry, my eyes are a little irritated right now. That's why I'm laying down, a little tired. But I forgot about the notification shout out, so I had to do it real quick. So thank you so much again, Janicia. Nisi. Thank you so much for being a part of the notification gang. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.